Welcome to I Like Signing Songs. Want to help your toddler communicate before they can talk? Let's learn some weather signs. BSL keyword sign weather. Let's try weather. One more. Weather. BSL keyword sign sun. Let's try sun. One more. Sun. BSL keyword sign rain. Let's try rain. One more. Rain. BSL keyword sign cloud. Let's try cloud. One more. Cloud. You're doing great. BSL keyword sign wind. Let's try wind. One more. Wind. BSL keyword sign snow. Let's try snow. One more. Snow. Nice signing. BSL keyword sign hot. Let's try hot. One more. Hot. BSL keyword sign cold. Let's try cold. One more. Cold. BSL keyword sign rainbow. Let's try rainbow. One more. Rainbow. BSL keyword sign thunder. Let's try thunder. One more. Thunder. Fantastic work. Let's go through them again together. Weather. Let's try weather. Sun. Let's try sun. Rain. Let's try rain. Cloud. Let's try cloud. Keep signing. Wind. Let's try wind. Snow. Let's try snow. Hot. Let's try hot. Cold. Let's try cold. You're doing great. Rainbow. Let's try rainbow. Thunder. Let's try thunder. Should we try that again? Now, a little bit faster. Ready, steady. Weather. Sun. Rain. Cloud. Wind. Snow. Hot. Cold. Rainbow. Thunder. Well done, everyone. You did so well today. Come back for more singing and signing with I Like Signing Songs. And don't forget to like and subscribe, please.
With I Like Signing Songs.